Okay, so the next step is actually strengthening the deck. The first layer of 2x2 15mm twill toe pure carbon fiber sheet is installed. Underneath that I got triple layer of 25mm pure carbon ribbon that runs from the top all the way across, and it's 3 of them. That's to give me the strength I need so it doesn't break anymore. Now we're going to start with the actual structure and design of it. Okay, so the extension bits, the riser for the battery and also the bridges at the front for carbon fiber to lay over nicely are installed, fixed, drying. Okay, so as you can see, the deck is almost ready to get the another carbon fiber layer. The shape is taking place, almost there. But what I wanted to mention, guys, I will try the frit. If you remember this test piece, this is what I've done, this custom material print kind of thing. It's now sanded down, so that's why it's looking dull. But it's possible to do all these things that kind of sound and look complicated. Well, they're actually not. So I'm going to use the same piece and I'm going to apply some frit and see if I like it or not. If I will like it, I'll do it on my deck. But anyway, that's it for this one. Hopefully you like this updates, really short videos. Let me know if anything needs to be changed. Let me know if you like them. But you know what, I'm going to carry on uploading them anyway. Okay, so see you next time. The final finish is by hand. Well done. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you.